The Rhino cart from Strong Hand Tools is a mobile fixture and setup table, ideal for fabrication, welding, or repair jobs. The turnkey Rhino cart package includes the mobile welding table with a clamp and component fixture kit that mates to the CNC precision bored holes on the reversible 48-inch by 30-inch nitrided tabletop. The Rhino cart's robust steel table legs include casters and leveling feet for mobile or stationary use inside or outside the shop. Shelves, racks, and a pegboard panel provide convenient space-saving storage of the Rhino cart clamps and components, so the tools you need for each job remain within easy reach. Clamp down workpieces or fixture at any position on the Rhino cart tabletop. Create accurate, repeatable setups for each new project. Whether the job is repetitive, short-run, or a new one-time project, you'll be able to quickly set up a fixture for each new project. The Rhino cart is easy to use. All clamps and fixturing elements are designed to be placed and adjusted from the top of the table. Place the Rhino cart clamps and components at any point on the table to clamp or position workpieces securely and accurately. Quickly reconfigure your table setup as work requirements change. Use the Rhino cart to set up simple fixtures for common, frequent projects such as framing to improve dimensional accuracy for a higher quality weld. Hold down oversized workpieces or weldments for grinding, sanding, measuring, or other tasks. The Rhino cart tabletop is heat-treated with a protective hardened work surface that is resistant to wear, weld spatter, and rust. The Rhino cart tabletop is reversible. Turn it over to expose a new work surface. With a complete fixturing kit, lots of storage, and the ability to quickly convert from stationary to mobile use, the Rhino cart will enable you to improve your work quality and increase productivity through efficient, accurate work holding. Use the Rhino cart to set up a wide variety of repeatable fixtures. Work inside or outside the shop. And store your clamps and modular fixturing components. Be ready to handle all your projects with the Rhino cart.